Hello, it's just a short video on the electronic joystick board, which is made to go into the standard box tile controllers, these. And I just want to show basically what the difference is between the two, reaction wise. Turn this on. Okay, this is a standard one here, and you can see very harsh starts and stops. Now this normally, when you hit the down on the stock ones, move this switch, it goes automatically into float like that. My aftermarket one has a switch that disables that on here. Alright, and I have a similar switch on the other one, this electronic one, but not real. The switch is for something else. Okay, let me plug the electronic one in. Now, this one has a power button on the side, and this is the switch I was talking about, and that reverses the up and down. So basically, you're looking at the light. If you power it on, it will be yellow. I guess you can see it. Just push button. And now we'll see the reaction time is different. You can hear it, see it's not so harsh. It's a softer start and stop. It's all the way up. And when you hit down, you can go in stages by just tapping it. But if you hold it for 1 second, it goes into float. And I don't know if you can see it, but the light will change to green. Float mode. Yeah, it's like a greenish tint now, and it goes off when you hit the raise. But basically, like I said, it just gives you a softer start and stop, and you can do this with it. You can feather it, and if you hit the little switch, which is optional, you don't have to get it, it reverses your up and down, which I always liked because I kept mine on my console. Okay, now let's put these down a second. And what I'm going to do here is pop it open real quick. Show you what you need to do on the case. Well, I guess what helps if I turned it off. Let me turn my key off. This is the board, and if you get the up and down switch, up and down reverse switch, basically you just line up your board into the case as if it wasn't there, and it will sit up on top. Mark one side, flip it over, mark the other side, and just carve it out a little bit with an X-Acto knife. On the power switch, you need to cut about 1/16 of an inch out of this flange here, because the originals are tighter when they're closed. It's a little bit tighter here on the originals, so you just want to take a little chunk out of there. Also, file works or X-Acto knife. Just don't cut yourself, and you just want to make sure the switch is gonna, move around a little bit. The rubber's not tight. And then just slip the thing in like so. And what I like to do on mine is I try to enlarge this hole in the plastic a little bit so it doesn't pinch the wires so much, since I zip tie mine on. And also on this one, it's got a fuse on the bottom and a fuse hidden on top here. That's a motor fuse and the fuse for the main power, which is as a secondary backup. Here's one where see a little better. That's the motor fuse underneath. It's a 3 amp, and the one underneath, the 8 amp, that's your main power coming in. Alright, if you got any questions, just give me a shout. Here's my email. Get it out of the sun. The plow controller is TWC. Okay, have a good day.